Hey beauties, I got a super chic design today. Luxury vibes with just a few simple steps. Let's do this. First, I'm applying a silver cat eye gel and using a magnet to pull the shimmer where it shines the most. Next, I'm adding a rose gold jelly gel on top to give it that glossy see-through effect. Then I apply a layer of matte top coat. This helps the next Desain layer pop and gives great texture. With black paint gel, I'm drawing some soft leaf shapes, kind of like wheat, but feel free to get creative. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. While it's still tacky, I gently rub chrome powder over the lips. It gives them a beautiful metallic shine. To finish, I seal it with a glossy top coat for that rich, luxurious finish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.